Okay, so I just took advantage of a Black Friday deal that I saw, and it was something that I couldn't pass up. So I bought myself some Oakley Meta Glasses after going to countless stores on Black Friday and looking around and seeing like what pair I actually like. So I got a pair. I bought it online though with Cyber Monday deals only because it kind of made more sense. And then I'm picking it up from Best Buy so I don't have to pay for shipping and I don't have to wait. So we're outside of Best Buy right now and we're gonna go pick it up. Bang! 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 Alright, now I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to open it so badly just outside of the Best Buy, but I think I'm gonna wait till I get home because honestly, all good things come to those people that wait. Oh, and if you can't tell, I have my hand as a tripod, so y'all are seeing me from, I'm like leaning forward hella. Anyways, yeah, let's get home. All right, got the Oakleys right here, about to open it up. Okay, kind of cool opening. Shout out that Oakley Meta right there. Cool case, got the case right here. And yeah, got the glasses. Let's open them up. Let's open these bad boys up. And then your boy went with the clear Oakleys. I feel like that's the best move. So yeah, pretty cool. This is how they look on my face. All right, anyways, that's pretty much it, the unboxing. We'll get this started and then we're gonna mess around with it. What's up, y'all? About to go hit some chest with my best boy, my best guy, my best friend, Mr. Wyatt himself. Now, y'all haven't really seen him on the channel much. We did film a video before of us playing Clash Royale, but that got corrupted, so you guys can't see the actual video of it. Oh well. So we're about to go hit some chest. We're gonna do some disgusting chest work. Then we're about to get some food and grub. And maybe even like talk about a little bit of chemistry or something like that, because your boy's got a test tomorrow. We gotta study for it. Anyways, yeah, currently heading to the gym right now. I'm geeking, I'm tweaking. Let's go. Not really much I want to talk about other than the fact that I'm gonna be starting Project Batman in the year. I'm basically like writing for it right now. I'm kind of just brainstorming and figuring out what I want to do with that specifically. So by that next year, I will be working solely on Project Batman. What I'm gonna do is just focus on the rest of all the content and stuff that I have been filming and been trying to, you know, just get out there. So yeah. Anyways, we got chest. I'm excited. Let's go.
No way, this guy just recorded that.
Five Nights at Freddy's. Or. Five Nights at Freddy's.
Come on. Biology. Who here is a bio major? Come on, up, all the way up, all the way up. I don't give a fuck, all the way up.
you get?
6'7", somewhere around there. What? Oh, I get it. Because 6'7".
I wish I had the point.
What? Don't cut out my butt. Hey, your coach should have kept that to himself. The fuck was that? Going straight to hell for that one, bro. You're gonna be pulled up to heaven and God's gonna pull you aside. Be like, what the hell was that? That was crazy, bro. Bro really was like, yeah, let's give that to my client. Actual like scorn and agony.
Hey, the 60s or the 70s?
Get to your set, bro. Just get to your set, bro.
Look down, look down, look down. Press.
Dude, it messes with my head. Okay, here, let me take this off. It's a new move, and it messes with my head. Bear with me. All right.
Your central nervous system is fried.
Actually, it's the peripheral nervous system. It is true that the peripheral nervous system is shooting stuff towards my spine, which goes to my head, but my brain is the one that does the actions to my arms.
We'll do the action.
I will.
Press.
Get the shit off me! Sorry, I'm like raging, bro. Shit's coming off. I'm gonna take every piece of clothing off.
Head down. Press. There you go. There you go. There you go. Crunch your abs up. There you go. There you go.
Hope no one saw that majestic shit. One day you're gonna shit yourself. One day, God may not be so merciful on that. Dude, I just don't get it. I don't get it.
Push with your palms. Come on.
Dude, okay. Here we go.
Squeeze your pinky. Push with your palms.
I thought you were gonna say I lift my pinky up like this.
No, squeeze the fuck out of it. Go.
I just need to work on that, I'm not gonna lie.
Fair?
Oh, damn. My score is not as strong as
That's
yours.
okay.
Well, at least I gave it a try.
These exercises you can use to like strengthen yourself.
For real.
Cause like when I first did those, dude, I get it.
Look at that.
Low key, it's kind of smaller than last time.
Is it?
It's longer though. Whoa. It should just hit me with the.
That was good as well.
Next time we gotta try the monster. It's supposed to be.
I think so, yeah.
This burrito is making me think about the political and economic state of the world.
For real. But like I low-key can't talk about it because it's like too good.
It makes me really think about who really runs the banking system.
About to get orbital striked.
We got a UAV.
What was it? What did they call it? Fucking white phosphorus about to hit us, bro.
Oh shit, is that a juggernaut?
Cruise missile off.
Hit me with the precision.
What was the sports things that we played all the time? I know we played cruise missile. Did we play white phosphorus?
And like there was one more, Chopper Gunner. I played Chopper Gunner, but like what did you played something else? You played VTOL Jet, remember?
I was trying to keep it together.
You remember the VTOL Jet, bro? I low-key wish that Call of Duty was kind of like that still.
Bro, my boss be playing Call of Duty all the time.
It's not as good as it was though. It really isn't. It's a lot more like they don't care anymore.
Like money hungry?
Yeah.
Like just get a new Call of Duty out each year.
Like when Modern Warfare 2019 came out, tactical sprinting was a new thing. The graphics looked a lot better, looked more new. Think about it. Was Cold War really an upgrade from like Modern Warfare 2019?
Out of graphic stuff wise, no. But it still gave you that like in-game video game experience, which I kind of liked.
Yeah, I guess. Modern Warfare 2 was alright. It gave us like a taste of 2019, but at the same time, it just could not replace the 2019 taste that it had. The AX50 though. MP5 AX50. Monolithic suppressor.
Nasty combo.
Tac laser on the AX50, I remember.
Battle hardened.
Stim.
Slided knife.
Oh, remember that, yeah. It's good. Yeah. What was your favorite gun in Modern Warfare 2019 if you played it? Low key, what was like an underrated gun in 2019 actually?
B90.
You think so?
Or any akimbo pistols in like shipment.
Low key.
Or that one shotgun that snipes.
Oh my gosh, the 725, that was not underrated. Everyone loved that shit.
You're also a big LMG player.
Huh?
You also played like hella LMG.
That's true. I hated reloading like every kill. Remember? Every kill we take, we would just reload. MP5 specifically though.
It's a bad habit too. You're starting to get full.
No, I'm having a slow swallow thing, which I always have.
Me too.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, there it is. Oh yeah, give me some water. You need water?
They don't have water, bro. Is that all you got?
There's not much.
Oh shit.
I have it.
Dude, it's really not. It's not. How'd you get it? Dude?
Bound to have it.
From a go?
Michael Jordan actually.
You when I get anything from the go. I am fighting that slow swallow, bro. Breathing helps me. It's like my lungs push on it. It's time for the tour.
It's crazy to think that I had such a long round thing just go deep inside of me right now. Yeah, crazy.
You know,
I'm
I
talking
always
about the burrito.
You know, no one else who I talk to has that slow swallow except you.
It's just because we eat fast.
God forbid a man wants to get his food down.
Do you ever just like feel the food drop into your stomach?
No.
That shit feels satisfying sometimes though.
When you drink water or anything,
and it just
I just like you could
slips
feel
down.
it just. And just like if I ever become an internal medicine doctor, let's open a practice together. We'll call it Stone Egger. Egged and stoned. Internal medicine or some shit, and then like DBT. Ooh, it's getting down there.
You know it's bad because you're taking like smaller bites.
By the way, I said Stone Egger. That's all. Matter of fact, just cut this whole thing out.
Stone Egger.
His last name is Egger. Mine is Stone.
My first name is Aiden. Put that together. What do you get?
My social.
Oh my god.
Next time we gotta bring water.
You think the homie's gonna let us slide us some water?
I think we're gonna buy it. It's like $2, right?
That's the homie though. You good?
Dude, it's going down slow, bro. I'm just chilling.
Take some more water. Just take the cap off.
You okay?
We'll go see if my car has water.
Well, that's gas then.
You good?